Sorry for the mess, guys. Today I'm gonna be replacing my OEM steering wheel with an aftermarket. So to remove this, you have to take off this emblem right here. You can use a flathead, but I'm gonna be using this right here. And just get on the edge and pull it out.
Pull it out.
And that's how it looks. Pretty simple.
This is simple. This is so freaking simple.
Then inside, you can't really see. There's a nut right there that you have to take off. It's a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna be using my breaker bar to take it off. Make sure you lock your steering wheel first.
Lock it up.
And then just go for it. Well, I couldn't take it out, but it's out. Now you just have to pull the steering wheel out. Oh, that was very simple.
That was easy.
And here it is. Also, I have this thing right here that goes to connected to my double din, which is to control volume and skip the songs or whatever, pause. And it comes with another one in case you want to answer calls, but I can do that from my cell phone or the double din. So I'm gonna be taking this off and putting it on my other steering wheel. So I almost forgot. If you locked it like I had it, to the side, and you took off the knot, make sure you put it back straight. So put it back straight, and then you can remove it. Otherwise, it's gonna be all types of crooked, and you're gonna try to put the steering wheel straight, but it's gonna be like this, and it's gonna be a mess. So make sure you put it back to straight, and then you can take this off. Now you're gonna put your NRG Slim Hub. Part number for the CRX is 110. This is how it looks, and this has to touch this right here, so your horn works. This thing right here has to match this thing right here, right? Otherwise, if you put it crooked, it's not gonna go all the way in, and it's not gonna touch this, so your horn works.
All in!
So far, this is how it looks. It's already tied. I'm gonna clean this. Should have done it before I put this on, but yeah. And this is straight. I just moved it. So now I'm gonna get my steering wheel and put it on. Not that I have to put this on, and this is how it goes wired. Pretty easy. So when you put the quick release, it has a little dot right there. Make sure that little dot is facing up. Now when you put your steering wheel in, do not just put it and spin it so you can hear the click. That's not good. When you put it on, make sure it's straight, and that's it. That's how it is. That's simple. Now I can't test my horn because my battery is not connected and the mosquitoes are killing me, so I'm about to go in. I will test that another day and show you, but that's how it is. Pretty simple. This is how my steering wheel looks. This is how the back looks. Yes, I'm gonna clean the car. I'm sorry, it's just dirty as hell. And yeah, it looks really nice actually.
Very nice.
Right.
And that's it. Horn doesn't work like I said. I will make another video testing it out.
Fail!
And just to take it off, just press right here on the back, these little paddles, and it comes off. And to put it back in, just make sure it's straight up. And that's it. Do not put it on like wrong and just spin it, right? That's not good at all.
No!
Do not do it. I used to do that until I learned that you're not supposed to. So the more you know. That's it, guys. Follow me, like the video, share the video. That'd be great. I will be making more content. I haven't been working on my cars right now because it's hot as hell.
So hot.
And yeah, I'm not doing it. I don't care if I do it on winter time, but right now in summertime, it's killing me. So that's why I had to wait until it was nighttime to install it. Anyways.
Finally, it's over.